everyone. I hope that you're having a great day. I just wanted to share something with you guys that I am so excited about. That 31 is launching tomorrow. Since you guys are my VIPs, I wanted to let you guys know first. So if you're watching the replay, please comment and let me know if you're watching the replay or watching live. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. That way you do not miss any of my notifications or my videos, because this is something that is time sensitive. So I do not want you guys to miss. So I'm pumped and I want you to know why. Hey, Arlene, I want you guys to know why. Okay. So I have these little cards just to kind of get your attention. So hopefully you'll click on the video and listen to the sound. So I wanted to talk to you about this enrollment incentive that we are doing with 31 and a little bit about it and a little bit about my why. So why I said yes to 31. So I'd hosted a catalog party for one of my friends, and it was a large catalog party. And I was like, wow, I can totally do that. So I talked to her about it and about the 31. She told me about 31 was faith-based, and I had no idea that the name 31 comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, and how it talks about the virtuous woman and how she's worthy of honor and praise. So I was like, wow. So we had we wanted to take our little boy to Disney World. So we wanted to take him to Disney World, but Disney World was so expensive and we didn't have all that extra money in our savings account. So I said, well, let me, when she told me about the 31 opportunity and it was faith-based, I was like, wow, well, if I can make my $99 back, that'd be great. But if I can make enough money to take our son to Disney World, that's what I want to do. So I partied my way. I paid for our Disney trip within, I think, less than 6 months with 31, just saving every bit of my commission. And our Disney trip was paid for in full by my commission. So that was my first why. I wanted to earn extra income as well. And I love the product so much. That was kind of what first drew me to 31 was the products. Then I was like, well, I can make some extra money. And then wait, we can take Clint to Disney World. So that was a big, big motivator for me. Why I stay with 31. So the friendships that I have made through 31 are honestly, they're just irreplaceable. Some of the people that I have met, it's just I don't even know how to explain the 31 sisterhood. If you're on my team, if you've ever been to national conference, then you know what I'm talking about. The sisterhood is amazing. I have 3 great friends that I literally talk to with 31 every day. We have a message going all day long, where we not only talk about 31, but we also talk about our, life things that are going on. I love another reason why I say is the 31 mission. I love that we love to celebrate, encourage, and reward women of all walks of life. 31, as a lot of you know, has allowed me to quit my full-time corporate America job and to do what I love full-time. I'm able to now, I get teary-eyed when I think about it because I'm able to take my kids to school every day. I'm able to be there. I can go to field day. I can go to awards day. It's amazing what 31 has done for me. And I'm able to pay our mortgage. I pay my car payment and I pay our medical insurance through my 31 business. And I'm working full time now instead of driving an hour and a half one way, every day, basically commuting 3 hours a day is what I was doing. And so anyways, 31 has allowed me to quit my job. I've earned free trips with 31. Last year we went to Disney, paid for by 31. We went to Atlantis, Bahamas, earned that trip for free. This year I'm going to Maui, Hawaii, earned that trip for free. Right now I'm working on a cruise for 2020. So 31 has allowed us to take free trips. Honestly, I would have never, Hawaii is on my bucket list for sure, but I never thought that I would ever go there. I mean, really. But I'm able to do that right now for free just for working my business and sharing 31. I'm able to pay our bills and save, like I said. 31 has given me so much confidence in myself. If you would have told me 10 years ago that I could stand in front of a room of, 20 ladies and talk, I would have been a nervous wreck. But right now, it doesn't even bother me. I have gained so much self-confidence from 31. And I love the reason why I can stay is, or that I do stay, is that I'm able to bless others with 31. So the big news, you guys. So tomorrow through May 31st, you can join 31 for just $49. So we normally have our $99 and $179 enrollment kits, but right now, or actually starting tomorrow through the end of the month, you can join 31 for just $49 and you will receive a $131 product credit. Okay. So this credit can be used however you'd like to use it. So you could, let's see, I'm getting ahead of myself. So how you can use your product credit. So you can use it, I forgot to put on here, but you can use it for business supplies. So if you want to use it toward product or for catalogs, order forms, things like that. You can use it on our consultant marketplace. It's a 40% off discount. So starting tomorrow, we're able May 15th through the 22nd. Active consultants can shop from our brand new summer guide starting tomorrow for 40% off. So all the new summer products that are starting on June 1st, we get to shop before anyone else. So you could use that credit toward the new summer products that are going to be starting. You can, let's see, get 40% off your orders. Or you can use that $131 and put it on your own party. Okay, so you are the consultant. You can be your own hostess. So you can set up your own party link and you can use that $131 for products on your own party. It's just like basically like a gift card kind of. And then not only are you getting those products for free, you are earning sales to meet to go toward any incentives that we have, and you're earning hostess rewards, half price items, free items, hostess exclusives, and you're earning commission. So by doing it on your own party, you get to choose your products, choose your prints, then you earn sales from it, you earn hostess rewards, you earn commission, and our perks program. So many things that we are offering right now. And this is such an amazing deal, you guys. You can join 31 for $49 and then you get to choose your kit. You get to choose your own. You can put your own personalization on there. So many great things that you can do with that. So I hope that you will consider joining 31 and joining with me. I would love to help you get your business off to a great start. I really try to get under my new consultants and help you get off to a great start. I share so many tips and resources with you guys. I have a team page where I share my Facebook scripts with you guys. I share so many details and things to help you in your business. So I hope that you will consider this is only for a limited time. So it's tomorrow, starting tomorrow, May 15th until the end of the month, May 31st. So please ask me questions, any questions that you have or anything that you want to know about 31. I would love to answer that for you. So I hope that you will consider the 31 opportunity and helping and letting me help you get started to make some extra money this summer. I know we all need some extra money. The kids are out of school. So it's fun just to meet up at the park, show your products. You can do online parties. That's what I'm planning on doing a lot this summer is online parties because I'm going to be here with my kids this summer. I'm so excited that I get to spend time with my children this summer. I just used to get so jealous of those teachers, because they could just go and do things in the summer with their kids. And that's going to be me now. And I'm just so excited and so blessed and so thankful for 31. So I hope that you will consider joining me because I would love to bless you with 31 like 31 has blessed me. So you guys have a great night and hopefully I will talk to you soon. You guys comment if you have any comments or any questions and I'd love to answer those for you. So have a good night.